Okay, guys, so let's go and look at the answers to our two activities that we did. Okay, if you're not there yet, pause the video, come back to us. If you're ready to look at the answers, then let's go ahead and check those. Get a different color of pen or marker, whatever it is that you wrote with. Okay, make sure you correct your work with a different color. Just because if you have it right, give yourself a little tick, and okay, whatever it is that you do to show that you've got the right answer. If you have it wrong, okay, if you have it wrong, don't erase your answer, don't erase the wrong answer, leave the wrong answer, and just write the correct answer next to it, above it, however it is you want to do it, because you're going to be able to see the difference. Okay, you're going to see what you did, and then you're going to see the correct answer, and hopefully you'll be able to notice where you're making a mistake. Okay, so let's go ahead and move forward. So underline the present simple verb. This was an exercise where we were going to identify the verb in the sentence. Okay, I teach English. What do? I teach. I try to. So I I teach, right? Teach would be that verb. You like chocolate cake. You like chocolate cake. She reads very fast. She reads very fast. What does she do? She reads. Okay? And notice how read, since it's she, so third person, you have first person singular, second person singular, then you have third person singular. Okay? Third person singular would be he, she, it. Notice how you have to add an S to that verb. So if it would have been I read, you don't have to add the S. I read very fast. I teach English. I like chocolate cake. Okay, you, the same thing. You teach English. You like chocolate cake. You read very fast. Now let's do it with she. She reads. Notice that S, okay? She reads very fast. She likes chocolate cake. She teaches English. Okay, she teaches English. Same thing for he. He teaches English. He likes chocolate cake. He reads very fast. That third person singular, you need to add that S. Okay, we're going to see that in the second exercise. Some of you might already be realizing it if you didn't at first. So, we walk to school. We walk to school. Let's do the same thing, okay? Um, so we walk to school. Let's do I with this verb. I walk to school. Now let's do you. You walk to school. Now let's do she. She walks to school. See that S? She walks to school. How about he? He walks to school. Okay. Now we're going to use these four verbs, okay? The teach, like, reads, walk. So what we're really using is to teach, to like, to read, and to walk. We're going to use those verbs to fill in and to complete these next four sentences down here in the second exercise. So now fill in the blanks with the same verbs from before. So we had he blank history. What does he do? He teaches history. He teaches history. And this is what we were talking about before, okay? We were talking about that S, in this case, that ES, okay? He teaches history. I read well but slowly. And this has been the opposite, right? Here we haven't had to add anything. We've actually had to take it away. Because if you knew that you had to add this verb, okay, some of you might have just put reads, okay? And if you did, even though it's not grammatically correct, at least you've got the gist, right? You kind of that comprehension. You're understanding English, which is good, okay? Because the grammar you'll get it. The more you practice. So even if you did put he teach history, is it right? No, but you can't say it's completely wrong because at least you did understand what it is that he had to do. Okay, so just fix it. add that es. In this case, if you put I reads, no, you read. I read. Take away the s. Now, if you got it right, well, great. I read well but slowly. She likes vanilla ice cream. She likes vanilla ice cream. We had to add that S, okay? Because here we had you like chocolate cake. Here it's a she. She likes vanilla ice cream. I like chocolate cake. You like chocolate cake. He likes vanilla ice cream. And the last one, you walk to school with your friend. Okay, here it stayed exactly the same. We walk to school, you walk to school. Okay, the next video is going to be about how we form, pretty much what we're doing right now, right? What we're talking about, how we form present simple. Okay, we're going to look at a little chart and then we'll do some exercises.